Today we have a video from Police Insider, and the title of the video is Immature Teens Get a Huge Reality Check.
To explore. Nobody could have scripted what the officers were about to find.
What's going on? Do you have a driver's license on you? What are you doing here at the hotel?
I'm just chilling. I was taking a nap.
Okay. Do you have an ID on you? Are you here by yourself?
Yeah.
Okay.
Did you see people come in here? Or what? So tell me what you saw.
I seen them
Through the window?
Yeah, through the window where.
So like on this circle drive here?
Yeah, right over there. I saw them right through there.
So they were in the lobby?
Yeah, they were in the lobby, like right by them.
Yeah, you gotta speak up. I can't hear you.
I said, I just told you I was chilling. I was taking a nap.
Why are you taking a nap here in the parking lot though?
Because I was tired of driving. And then Glendale, and then Walker Shop.
Okay. They're not here with you at the hotel?
No.
You know there's cameras all over here, right? Mm-hmm. So I know if you're lying to me, right?
Mm-hmm.
There's two in there right now. They're walking out this door.
Six, there's two running west through the doors towards flow.
For sure, two confirmed inside, both female black, they both dressed in all black, approximately 18 to 20 years old.
So how many people are you here with?
I'm not with them.
You know lying to me isn't gonna do you any good, right?
I was waiting right here to pick them up.
And what are they doing here? Huh?
I guess it's going to do.
Step out of the vehicle for me. Step out of the vehicle for me. You're being detained right now. Hop out. Face the vehicle.
Oh, there they go. 10-4. They saw us and they ran back down.
Right there, look, right here.
Two males, both gray sweatshirts, black pants. So they're in the bar area.
Have you been inside the building? Did you go inside the building at all?
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I was trying to find it.
Okay. Is there a reason you guys are here?
No, I don't know, but I just came to pick them up, and they told me they was in there.
You just came to pick them up.
Be a male and female. Male's got a black do-rag, gray sweatshirt. Female, shorter black and red hair, also gray sweatshirt, walking west towards west side of the building. And note, all four of them know that the police are out here and they refuse to exit.
You got keys in the building,
Yeah,
bro?
I got a key to get to that door right there.
The bar?
Yeah.
Okay, can I have it?
Yeah.
That we saw the four go down, and then we'll go clear the bottom basement first. And then from there, it's just a cat and mouse game.
Officers locked down every exit and called in backup from Brookfield PD. Somewhere inside, 7 teens were really hoping they wouldn't be found. The world's most expensive game of hide and seek was about to begin.
Molotovs the police! Anybody inside, come out with your hands up now! Molotovs the police! Anybody inside, make yourself known!
Yeah, my fear is we're just gonna start dropping bodies every time we come across a stairwell or something.
Police department!
Don't speed in, anybody in here, let us know!
My thought is, this is
Molotovs police department, in here, make yourself known!
technically burglary, but Rep Holte is hesitant to use his dog on like crawlers and stuff because it's kids.
Don't speed in, anybody in here, let me know. You're under arrest.
Don't speed in!
God damn. Sam, hold long. Darrell, hold that way. I'm gonna check in here.
I'm not sure if this has been established yet, but my detainee says that he entered the building through the man door on the north side of the building by the loading dock.
What they do? Who got caught first, a guy or a girl?
Where? Do they run?
Who gonna get caught first? The guy?
6 were in contact with 2.
How many more are in here?
Well, there's a dog in here, so if they don't come out, they're gonna get bit. So you might want to let them know they come out.
How many more people? How many y'all come with?
We was by ourselves. Like, a lot. We was a pair. No, like, as a pair, we just walk around and just exploring.
So who all came in? Who all came in at first? So we have 3.
We got 3 left.
306 for info. Per one of our detainees, there's a total of 6. We currently have 3 in custody.
And that's 3, 2 on the inside, 1 with 360.
360 was just having a conversation, and that's confirmed. So there should be 2 or 3 more outstanding.
Police department, make yourself known!
Baltos police! Anybody inside, make yourself known!
It's police K9. If you don't come out, you will be bit.
It's other people coming. 2 of them are on the 4th floor, male and female. They said they were in pairs, but Flo's only got 1.
Go to police!
So is this an abandoned hotel, or is this a hotel that's not 24 hours? Well, does that even make sense? A hotel that's not 24 hours? Of course a hotel is 24 hours. But why is no one here?
Make yourself known! Please get out. If you don't come out, you won't be bit. Coastal PD, anybody down here, let me know.
How do you not know it's private property? You can't just walk into a hotel in the middle of the night. That's not in business.
Ah, okay. I guess we got the answer to that. It's an abandoned hotel.
Yes, man. I'm not gonna argue with you. You know what you did. You know what you did is wrong. You know what you did is wrong. And now you have to deal with the consequences of it. And part of that is sitting with me.
Yeah. I think we got all of it. Got all of it? This goes back through here, yeah, for them.
So if it bothers you and you don't want to deal with the hassle, don't get arrested, man. Stay out of trouble. You got a job, which is good.
No, I heard shuffling around like upstairs.
I heard up here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I heard shuffling around. Like I thought it was you. I thought it was you. So
No, it was like 20 minutes ago.
20 minutes ago.
Baltos police! Baltos police! Anybody inside, make yourself known!
Okay, where are they?
Yep.
They're probably still in the basement.
I was going to say, like, they're not.
There's so many spots in that basement.
The search felt like it had been going on forever. Then officers finally got a break, but not the kind they were expecting. Let's just say nobody in that room was dressed for the occasion.
Show me your hands. Come out, both of you. Show me your hands. 363, I've got 2 in the lobby. Get on the ground. Lay on the ground. Cooperative. Is there any more of you guys in here?
How many of you guys?
How many total came in? 6?
The other hand.
I don't know if you guys seen my 2 girl best friends.
Yep.
Your 2 girl best friends?
Yeah, they were like, we're hiding under a table and we're scared and so there. And I was like, girl, it's better if we just come out because they let us off easier. And they're like, coming outside.
Hiding under a table?
Yeah.
Where at?
By the kitchen.
At the kitchen?
Yeah.
2 girls?
She diming everybody out.
Yeah. Alright. Well, you are trespassing.
She said there's 2 girls near the kitchen hiding under tables.
2 girls? Okay.
The 2 that are still hiding?
Yeah.
The females?
Yeah.
Do you know their phone number?
Yeah.
The Wauwatosa Police Department, come out with your hands up. We know you're in here.
Police department, if you're inside the kitchen, make yourself known. There's a police K9. You will be bit.
One girl said that she knows the girl's number. Call them, but it's in her phone and her phone is missing. She's asked her. She doesn't know her phone. It's somewhere in here.
Well, someone wasn't here.
Jiggy's up, come on out. Tired of this shit.
Show me your hands! I got 2 in here! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Both your hands! Over here! Get on the ground, stay on the ground, stay on the ground.
Motor cuffs.
That's perfume.
With everyone finally in custody, officers sat down with each suspect one by one in interrogation room 3. 7 people and 7 explanations. And some of them were going to be
Well, before we go to that, I want to see how long. So 2:06, right? I want to see what time did they get there around. So we got 2:06. And when's the beginning of this? Wow. So 12:45 to 2:06. They were there for a little while, for a little minute. A little less than 2 hours. Let's see here.
With everyone finally in custody, officers sat down with each suspect one by one in interrogation room 3. 7 people and 7 explanations. And some of them were going to be very interesting.
What happened today?
We was just friends on like Instagram. I know a couple of them, like the girls. I didn't know. They asked they want to hang out, and it was like, what we gonna do? And it was like, I know some abandoned places, and I was like, oh, okay, cool. Then we had linked up, and we just went in. We just exploring, playing like hide and seek and shit.
Okay.
I lived and I picked up my friends and we went to the gas station, got my charger, went to get something to eat, we seen the place, and then they just decided to try and find a way in there. So we all went in there, we separated at a point, we seen the lights.
So I'm going out with some friends. They come pick me up pretty early, around 10, and so they're like, do you have any other girl best friends? I was like, yeah, so I'll go pick them up. So we go pick up them up, and then we're just riding around, so we're kind of bored, and then we stumbled across this building, but it had looked abandoned, so I told her yeah, and then she picked me up, and then we came here.
Okay. What was the plan when you got in?
Not much. We just didn't even know what to do. We were just looking around.
Just to kind of exploring?
Yeah. And so we're just taking photos or whatever, and then he's like, okay, well, I'm gonna go back downstairs. So he went back downstairs, and we get a call from my friend saying like, oh, the police are here, but they just said the police are here. And I'm thinking like, oh, maybe it's just the guys like just playing around with them, saying like, come on, there's police or whatever. So we're trying to get down, and it isn't until we hit like the second floor that we hear the police. And they're like, oh, it's the police or something, like, I don't know, we just heard voices and we realized it wasn't them, so we're just trying to get to the, we just started going down all the stairs to the basement, and I was trying to find my friends at that too.
Okay.
So I'm trying to find my friends, and I was trying to find the exit, so we just grab them and go. As soon as we kind of closed up that spiral stair, an officer was right there, turned the flash on. So I put your hands up, lay down.
You were just exploring. Why didn't you leave when you heard the police yelling?
I didn't hear the police yelling.
You didn't hear them yelling?
I was on the 5th floor.
You were on the 5th floor?
I couldn't hear that.
Okay. How did you get in?
The girls knew. I'd never been there before.
Okay. Were they like checking doors?
They had a friend that calls me. It was like, how did they get in? And we just followed them.
So the girls sounds like they've been in there before?
I'm guessing, yeah.
Okay. Which door did you guys go into?
It was the side door, like all the way around to the back. Like,
okay.
We had to go around.
Okay. What were you guys doing when you were there?
Literally just exploring.
Just exploring?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you guys break anything?
We didn't touch nothing. We was just like playing hide and seek though.
Okay. Where were you like playing hide and seek in there?
We was like in the basement. We couldn't like do multiple floors. There wasn't a lot of us, you know?
Yeah.
We was just in the basement.
Okay. Did you guys hear the police yelling?
Yeah, that's why we came up. I don't know. I just heard yelling and stuff, then I came up.
Okay. Where were you hiding?
I wasn't hiding at all. I was sitting on the spiral stairs.
How come you didn't leave when you heard the police yelling?
Because I thought you were travelers.
Okay. Do you plan on running?
No.
Okay.
When it was all over, 4 adult suspects and 3 juveniles were cited for criminal trespass and resisting an officer. The driver, who spent the whole night in the parking lot, got loitering. All 7 were released the same night, and one of them with still in their shoe. The hotel never got its renovation, but it got one last viral moment. Care Bears, a getaway driver who gave everyone up, and a group of teenagers who just really wanted content. YouTube thinks you'll love
Yeah, I mean, this sound like some kid stuff. You know, it's a popular thing. Yeah. The kids know, they know right from wrong, but there's people that I just seen a video the other day. Somebody exploring Drake's abandoned mansion and stuff like that. Like it's a popular thing to do. You know, people exploring abandoned places. You know, if you just type it in on YouTube, you'll find it. Okay. So they're wrong. They should get in trouble for it. They got caught. But it's not, you know, it's not the worst thing in the world. It's, you know, kids being kids, you know, it's whatever, you know, but it's a popular thing, you know. Like I said, just type it in on YouTube, you'll see it. And people breaking in and exploring abandoned places and all of that type of stuff, you know. So it is what it is, man. You know, if you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.